My name is Jenner Cormier. I'm one of the owners here at Bar Kismet, making drinks and displaying some interesting techniques with Hoshizaki ice. So, the first drink we're going to make is sort of a riff on a New York sour. A little bit of fresh lemon juice, a little bit of sugar to cut the acidity, and some spruce tip Amaro, and some bonded American whiskey. We're going to add just a tiny bit of egg white for some texture and mouthfeel. And today we're lucky enough to be shaking with some sphere ice, which will allow us to really get a good whip on our dry shake. So that nice, dense, spherical ice cube allows us to aerate the drink without over diluting too much. We're going to add some 1x1 cubes from Hoshizaki to give this a really nice hard shake. And now we're going to strain the cocktail over a rocks glass full of 1x1 cubes. We're just going to preserve all that beautiful temperature that we worked so hard to get. And lastly, just going to top the cocktail a little bit with a nice dry Lambrusco. A little bit extra flavor, a little bit of complexity, beautiful to look at. And there you have it, a little twist on a classic New York sour. So the next cocktail we're going to make is similar to a Negroni, using Hoshizaki's spherical ice cubes. So we're going to start off with a little bit of blood orange, some Peychaud's bitters, and just a little bit of absinthe. Silver tequila, infused with a little bit of fennel pollen, followed by a nice bitter aperitif, and a quinquina aromatized wine. Just gonna give this a nice stir. You can see that the integrity of those spherical ice cubes is held up very well. It's gonna allow us to get this drink really nice and cold. We're going to strain into a chilled Nick and Nora glass and express some green pomelo oils over the surface. And there you have it. For our next drink, we're going to do something non-alcoholic. We're going to add a little bit of fresh lime juice, some blood orange cordial, and also a little bit of hydrosol. It's flavored with some baking spices. I'm going to add some nice dense 1x1 ice cubes. Gives us a real nice chill. We're going to top this off with some cold brew pomegranate and rosehip tea, which we've forced carbonated. It's going to give it really nice effervescence, a little more flavor. This zero-proof cocktail is going to be served over cublet ice, which is going to give us a really deep chill, keep our drink nice and cold. I'm going to garnish it with lime zest, a little bit of yuzu brittle, straw. There you are. So the next cocktail we're going to make is a long, refreshing cocktail with a little bit of fresh lemon juice, fresh mango, French Amaro, and some manzanilla sherry. Now instead of shaking or stirring this cocktail, we're going to roll it. And now something that I'm very excited about is to serve this drink over some spherical ice. The fact that Hoshizaki was able to achieve such consistency on a large scale, these beautiful, dense, clear sphere ice cubes, is truly incredible. We're just going to top that with some soda water, give it some effervescence and a little bit of length. Give it just a quick stir to incorporate. We're going to serve that with a nice, healthy sprig of mint and a straw.
My name is Jenner Cormier. I work at Bar Raval. We're here today at beautiful Bar Isabel, making you guys a few drinks with Hoshizaki ice, our preferred choice.
We're gonna start with some chocolate bitters from Scrappy's. We're gonna add in 2 dashes of those, followed by some fresh Meyer lemon juice and a bar spoon of homemade yellow plum jam. You could substitute in just about anything in this case. Anything seasonal, anything with some nice sweetness, some nice brightness. That'll act as our sweetening agent as well. We're gonna add a little bit of fresh mint. Just gonna use some of the leaves. We wanna keep that sprig for garnish. Now we're gonna add some overproof bourbon, nice healthy ounce. Followed by an aromatized wine, beautiful French aperitif wine. So we're gonna add some ice in here, give it a good shake. Today, we're lucky enough to be using Hoshizaki's Crescent Cube, which is gonna give us a really nice chill on this drink without over diluting. Now we're gonna fine strain this into a chill glass. You'll see we don't have many ice shards because of that wonderful dense Crescent Cube that we used. We're just gonna quickly chill down our mixing vessel. This wonderful 1-inch cube from Hoshizaki. We're gonna jump right in. 2 dashes of Bitter Truth Jerry Thomas owned decanter bitters, followed by a healthy 1/2 ounce of Del Maguey Vida Mezcal. We'll follow that up with a nice artichoke flavored Amaro. And tie that drink together with Plantation's pineapple rum. So we're stirring this drink with Hoshizaki 1-inch cubes. They're nice and dense. So we're gonna get a really wonderful chill, just the right amount of dilution that we're looking for. And we're gonna strain that into a nice chilled old-fashioned glass. And we're gonna express an orange zest over the surface of the drink.
I think that far too often, ice is overlooked as a main ingredient in drink making. We can depend on Hoshizaki's ice to produce a consistent final product.
Hoshizaki is a market leader in ice-making technology, serving the global commercial kitchen equipment and food service markets. With almost 70 years of experience, we have rightfully gained an international reputation for sustainability, durability, and reliability. Our FM ice makers are manufactured in the UK and meet regional, national, and local market requirements and standards. We continue to develop innovative solutions that are tailored specifically to the demands of a wide range of locations and operations. Our new Emerald class ice makers utilize R290, a natural refrigerant which has a very low global warming potential. We are committed to helping businesses and individuals save money and our environment. Hoshizaki's FM ice plays an integral role in a variety of key markets, with everything from shape to density factoring into its application. The FM range of ice makers produces flake or nugget ice, available both in modular and self-contained models. It uses the most efficient ice-making process due to the unique auger system. Production capacities range from 26 kilos per 24 hours to 1,800 kilos, with the possibility to extend. Flake and nugget ice are popular for a variety of cooling purposes. Flake ice applications include food processing, fish, and fresh produce display and organ transportation. The main characteristic of Hoshizaki's flake ice is that freeze burn is prevented when displaying fresh fish or produce. Nugget ice applications include display of packaged produce, such as bottled beverages and food, as well as forming the key ingredient in beverages and cocktails. Hoshizaki's nugget ice is compressed by the extruding head during the production process, producing harder, longer-lasting ice. FM's condenser utilizes carbon auger bearings, which are more reliable than roller bearings as used by other manufacturers. Carbon auger bearings do not require oil or grease like roller bearings do, eliminating risk of oil leakage. The auger is of double-hardened steel. The auger in combination with the carbon bearings work optimally in a tough and wet environment. Benefits include longer product life expectancy and reduced maintenance costs. The FM uses the most efficient ice-making process. It utilizes all water brought into the machine. Therefore, water consumption is equal to ice production. Please see our other videos or visit www.hoshizaki-europe.com. Hoshizaki is a market leader in ice-making technology, serving the global commercial kitchen equipment and food service markets. With almost 70 years of experience, we have rightfully gained an international reputation for sustainability, durability, and reliability. Our KM ice makers meet regional, national, and local market requirements and standards. We continue to develop innovative solutions that are tailored specifically to the demands of a wide range of locations and operations. Hoshizaki's KM Ice plays an integral role in a variety of key markets, with everything from shape to density factoring into its application. The KM range produces crescent-shaped ice, available both in modular and self-contained models. Production capacities range from 36 kilos per 24 hours up to 584 kilos, with a possibility to extend. Hoshizaki's crescent ice is extremely versatile. Applications extend from the splash-free serving of post-mix soft drinks through to diverse applications such as fish transportation, bottle and fish display, and even laser therapy. Crescent ice is suitable for fast-selling establishments such as nightclubs, sporting and entertainment events. The unique crescent shape is built from the inside out, with an internal temperature of -4 Celsius. The ice produced is crystal clear, as only the purest water molecules will freeze on Hoshizaki's patented evaporator. Due to the half-moon shape and the consistent cube size, maximum storage bin capacity is optimized. An easily cleanable air filter allows users to carry out routine cleaning themselves, extending machine life and cutting the frequency and cost of maintenance callouts. Hoshizaki's stainless steel evaporator design has eliminated plating and ice bridging for unmatched reliability. With a double-sided ice-making surface, the KM requires fewer cycles to produce a full bin of ice, thereby reducing energy consumption. Poor water quality is one of the major causes of equipment breakdown. KM's double flushing system offers built-in self-cleaning, improving machine life. Please see our other videos or visit www.hoshizaki-europe.com. Hoshizaki is a market leader in ice-making technology, serving the global commercial kitchen equipment and food service markets. With almost 70 years of experience, we have rightfully gained an international reputation for sustainability, durability, and reliability. Our IM ice makers are manufactured in the UK and meet regional, national, and local market requirements and standards. We continue to develop innovative solutions that are tailored specifically to the demands of a wide range of locations and operations. Our new Emerald class ice makers utilize R290, a natural refrigerant, which has a very low global warming potential. We are committed to helping businesses and individuals save money and our environment. Hoshizaki's IM Ice plays an integral role in a variety of key markets, with everything from shape to density factoring into its application. The IM range of ice makers includes cubed, cylinder, and special-shaped ice types, available both in modular and self-contained models. Production capacities range from 21 kilos per 24 hours to 240 kilos, with the possibility to extend. IM Cube ice is the most consistent in size due to Hoshizaki's unique individual ice-making process. The IM Cube is very hard and long-lasting, making it the preferred choice of hospitality establishments. Cylinder ice is highly regarded in the Mediterranean countries, working well in long drinks, sodas, and cocktails. Their shape complements cylindrical glass shapes that offer low liquid volumes. Hoshizaki's world-renowned special ice types are popular in select hotels, bars, and restaurants. To differentiate and create the most unique beverages and cocktails, balls, hearts, and stars are used. The IM range is designed with hygiene as a priority. Each ice cycle is made with fresh water, ensuring only the highest quality of ice is produced. This protects the integrity and flavor of any drink, particularly premium beverages like cocktails. Hoshizaki IM machines utilize an ice-making system that has an automatic rinse cycle. After every new batch of ice, the water reservoir will drain and refill with fresh water. A closed water circuit offers the ultimate contamination protection by reducing the number of points at which impurities can enter the ice-making process. With the water plate closed against the underside of the evaporator, the water circuit is closed to both outside contamination and water loss under normal circumstances. Each cube is made individually by a dedicated jet spray to ensure the highest possible ice quality. As the ice cube slowly forms, the spray continues until the end of the cycle. No fresh water is required, as the internal reservoir capacity is adequate for a full cycle of ice. When the cube is fully formed, the electronic controller initiates a hot gas defrost cycle. The water plate opens and the hot gas slowly warms the evaporator. At this point, all remaining water from the ice-making cycle is drained. The ice will drop from the evaporator into the ice bin. The water plate will be rinsed with fresh water to remove any remaining particles before it starts to close again. Fresh water continues to enter until the reservoir is full to enable a new freeze cycle to commence. Please see our other videos or visit www.hoshizaki-europe.com.